Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about, do you have to file a tax return? You may be missing out. Let's get into the video. These days the tax return is used for more than just collecting taxes. It has also become a tool for the government to provide social benefits. I will be talking about the various reasons and resulting benefits available to you when you file, even if you are not required to, as you may be eligible for a refund of withholdings or estimated payments, or a refund as a result of a refundable tax credit, or even a stimulus payment that you did not previously receive. Here are some of the possibilities. Refund of withholding. You may have worked or had other income that included income tax withholding, but the total of all your income was less than the requirement to file a return. You are required to file a 2021 return if your income is equal to or more than the 2021 general taxpayer filing requirements. The 2021 general taxpayer filing requirement is as follows. A taxpayer filing status is single. The gross income is 12,550. Head of household filing status. The gross income is 18,800. The surviving spouse filing status, gross income is 25,100. Married filing separately, filing status, the gross income is $5. Married filing jointly, filing status, the gross income is 25,100. The amount taxpayers age 65 and older or meet the blind qualifications. Married filing jointly or surviving spouse status 1,350. All other filing status is 1,700. Also, remember that self-employed taxpayers generally must file in all circumstances. So if you are not required to file and decide not to bother, you would be forfeiting any income tax withholding on your wages you earn. Other prepayments. You have made 2021 tax payments but have forgotten about them, such as estimated tax payments or 2020 overpayment you applied to your 2021 return. Surely you do not want to forfeit those amounts. Tax credits. Even though you may not be required to file a return and the withholding was neglectable enough not to worry about it, you may be entitled to more than just a withholding refund. Normally, tax credits can only be used to offset income. However, there are some credits that are refundable and may provide you with a significant refund. Here are the details of those credits. 1. The Earned Income Tax Credit. The EITC provides a fully refundable credit for lower income taxpayers who have earned income from working, and can range from $519 to $6,728 for 2021. The amount you receive depends on your income, filing status, and how many children you have. Even eligible individuals without children may qualify for the EITC. Next, the child tax credit. For 2021 tax year return only unless Congress extends it, the tax credit is $3,000 per child under the age of 18, $3,600 under the age of 6. The credit is reduced for upper income taxpayers. The credit is fully refundable for those who are not required to file. The American Opportunity Tax Credit. This is a credit to help pay for college costs. To qualify, the taxpayer, spouse, or dependent child must have been a student enrolled at least half-time for one academic period during the year to qualify. The maximum credit is 100% of the first $2,000 of eligible expenses and 25% of the next $2,000, but only $1,000 is refundable. Recovery rebate credit. Individuals who did not qualify for a third economic impact payment or got less than the full amount may be eligible to claim the 2021 recovery rebate credit based on their 2021 tax information if they are eligible. If you were considering skipping filing your 2021 return, maybe you should reconsider. You will need to file a 2021 tax return even you do not usually file a tax return to benefit from any of these tax benefits. So it's definitely a good idea to go ahead and file your tax return, even though you feel like you did not make enough money for the year, because there are a lot of credits, as I discussed, that you may be losing if you do not file. So not just because you didn't make enough money, you should just say, I'm not going to file my taxes. Still go ahead and file your taxes because you could be benefiting from money you never knew you could have gotten. Also, if you or your company needs help with preparing your tax return, feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.